How to change your Gmail password. Whether you're just looking to update it for security reasons, or you suspect your account might have been compromised, knowing how to change your password is crucial for keeping your information safe. The process is very simple on your mobile device, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Open the Gmail app on your phone. In the top left corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Tap on it. Scroll down in the menu and tap on Settings. If you have multiple Gmail accounts on your phone, select the account you want to change the password for. Then, tap on Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings within the app. Now, just like on the computer, swipe left on the top tabs until you see Security and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Password under the How you sign in to Google section and tap on it. Again, you might be asked to enter your current password to verify your identity. Do that now. Once verified, you'll be taken to the Change Password screen. Enter your new strong password in both fields, and then tap on Change Password. And just like that, your Gmail password has been updated on your mobile device. Regularly updating your passwords is a good security practice. I recommend doing it every few months. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.